Hello guys, how are you? You are watching Mega Policy channel where we talk about games development and technology. So guys, I think you like to play games as well as your hobbies in gaming, just like PUBG Mobile, God of War, GTA 5, etc. It is your hobbies or skills in gaming. Do you know how to become game developer or how we can able to start game development courses? So in this topic, I will talk about how to become game developer as well as is my experience that how I become a successful game developer. Hey, it's possible to become successful game developer because how I become game developer that I goes to tell you about my experience and that you have to follow it. Okay, so guys, you have to watch this video until start to end and don't skip this video, otherwise you will not become a successful game developer. Guys, this is my YouTube new channel and this is my first video in YouTube, so I request you don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon for more related and such videos notification, and don't forget to like this video. So let's get started. Guys, first I will tell about my experience that how I am become successful game developer. So guys, my age is 15 years ago and I am studying in 10th standard class now, and myself Anish Dombale from Indian nation. Whenever I am studying in 9th standard class, that time I am become a successful game developer. If you want to download my videos game, then in description box there is my website or blog link where you can able to download my developed games. Guys, game development is my big ambition and it is my future scope. I am developed a game, these games alone. Nobody other game developer that can able to help me or support me. So guys, I am full day to night staying alone to do hard work and effort for developing video games. I am developing games on UnityEngine software. Guys, I am developing games with alone and I am not complete any courses or any degree as well as it not join any facility. I am become myself because. So guys, my stories are no longer. I am always searching on YouTube how to develop games on UnityEngine software, how to develop games, how to create games on, how to make games on UnityEngine software. Like I am always searching. Finally, never give up. Then I am become successful game developer by searching on YouTube how to develop games on UnityEngine software. There is a thousands of content, there is a thousands of topics, and there is a thousands of videos that you can able to get knowledge from YouTube. So guys, first now you need to know about UnityEngine software because it is so much important. UnityEngine is a software of where we can able to develop 2D or 3D games and different kinds of games. UnityEngine is a game engine. We can create games for different types of devices and platforms. There is not only UnityEngine software or game engine to develop games, there is also different kinds of game engine just like Unreal Engine and Unreal Engine. So guys, if you focus on your career of game development, then you need to know basic knowledge about game engines just as UnityEngine and also other types of game engines. If your education is going on or incomplete, then you need to know what to do. That I will teach you now. At the time of education, you need to watch related videos in YouTube about UnityEngine because according to my experience, I also learn by watching videos on YouTube and become successful game developer. So guys, you also try this. In YouTube, there is a thousands of content and channels or related videos that you can learn about UnityEngine tutorials and other types of game engine tutorials. So guys, if your education is completed, means your 12th standard completed, then you can able to start course of game development career. But actually, we are not talking about whose 12th standard is completed. We are talking about whose 12th standard is not completed, that who have focus or dream in game development career. So guys, if you have computer, mobile, laptop, etc., then you want to watch related videos about Unity tutorials in YouTube channels or any Google website blog also. If you have computer or laptop with graphics card and system hardware requirements, then you want to download software of UnityEngine from official website. Link in description box I have given there. In development, you have to do programming languages just like C++, Java, C#, Python, HTML, PHP, etc. according to UnityEngine and other kinds of game engines. In UnityEngine, you have to do programming in MonoDevelop Unity and Microsoft Visual Studio for scripting and coding. So guys, game development is not child play, it's not entertainment work, it's an entertaining, hard work and effort work. Because game development is also important for our entertainment, infotainment, gaming and relax, etc. At the beginning time you want to create simple games. How much you are able to create a simple game, that much you want to create simple games. According to learning and watching videos from YouTube or anywhere, that you need to create a step-by-step simple games. Keep believe on self and feel positive. Hard work is the key of success. Never give up. So guys, in game development, we have to do animations, rendering, programming, modeling, graphic designing, etc. So guys, in this video topic, we will learn about technical department role and non-technical department role. What is meant by technical department role and non-technical department role? It is so much important to know about game development career. If you are focused on your game development career, if you are focused on your game development, gaming, or if your ambition, if you are interested, then don't forget to subscribe our channel because it's so much important channel for your game development career. And I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to like this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel because this is our new video in YouTube and this is a new video in our channel and this is our new channel in YouTube. So don't forget to subscribe our channel. So Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram.